yeah, my BOXYCHARM is here, and that's such a huge box this time. I think that's because of the eyeshadow palette. That's just because of that bigger size of the eyeshadow palette. We got this bigger box. And first product is the cleansing wipes from this brand called Avio Skin Aurora refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. So yeah, these cleansing wipes retail for $10. Okay, so these are actually like a lot gentle on skin. So previously when I got the Kojendo wipe done from BOXYCHARM, they are like more, they just gave that little bit of that tingling sensation on skin, but these are not giving any sort of like that tingling sensation on skin. So the next product, the second product which we got in the box is from First Aid Beauty. So these are the facial radiance pads which helps to exfoliate, tone and brighten the complexion. So these are something that we just use on a regular basis. So it helps to get rid of that you know, that texture on skin. Oh my god, I just need to remove this. So it actually comes like this. On one side of the pad we have the textured side, the other side it's like plain. I think we should use the textured side, like mostly like exfoliating pads, I guess. So it but anyway, I just can't tell for the first usage, because these are like something that you just use it on like regular basis to really see results, because it's more into like skincare. Yeah, the third product from this month's box is this one from a brand called Amika. So this is the Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. So this is basically like a leave-in conditioner where you can apply on your dry hair and also on your damp hair. So I actually use this one. So I got this box in the evening. So immediately when I got it, I just did my hair wash and just thought that okay, I'm like all ready to film this video. So I just like tried this conditioner. Then on damp hair, I actually use like only a little amount of it, because I read in one of the Sephora website review that you just need to use only a little, because if you use like too much, that's gonna make the hair look so greasy. So that's the reason I didn't use like too much of this conditioner. Coming to one good thing about this conditioner is that it made my hair smell so good. Like literally while I was doing like that blow dry to my hair, like literally when I'm just like drying my hair, I was like literally, you know, like doing that, like literally, you know, like my hair is smelling so good. That scent is not like overpowering sort of scent. It's just like so, you know, like it's perfectly balanced sort of scent, which you will feel like you just need to smell so many times. Like, you know, like what I mean. I don't know like how to explain that, but the scent is so good. I am a huge fan of this you know, this fragrance of this conditioner. And it also helped with the detangling of my hair, guys. So usually after a hair wash my hair tangles a lot, so this has made the whole detangling process like a lot more easier. Then the next product that we have is the sponge set, obviously. Okay, I took these sponges out. Okay, so these are the sponges. Okay, the conditioner actually costs let me just tell you. The conditioner costs $25, and the First Aid Beauty pad costs $16, and this set over here, the sponge set, costs $40. This is from Luxy Beauty. Okay, so we have got like 3 sponges which you can use for bake, for powder, and then you can use detail precision blender. Okay, so as they say that this is a precision blender, so I just want to, you know, like try this out for color correcting a bit. So I'm just like taking the orange and the yellow from this MAC palette. I'm gonna do some color correction and see how that will do the job. It's like doing a bit of color correction in this area. Okay, taking the sponge and I'm gonna blend that foundation out. Okay, this is not the smoothest, you know, beauty blender, to be honest. This is not like anywhere close to the original beauty blender. I blend this under eye area with the tip of the sponge. such a hard formula. Yeah, like literally my original beauty blender is like lot more fluffy even when this is not damp, but this is like damp, but I couldn't see like a lot of that, you know, that smoother, that pory fluffy, I mean sorry, that fluffiness to it. It doesn't have like any sort of that pores that you have for your original beauty blender. Just taking the same damp beauty sponge and I'm just like blending that out. I'm gonna, you know, like blend this out slowly because I just need to work with this blender. Yeah, like literally this is not that smoothest blender, so I'm just gonna work slowly. My beauty blender is actually spoiled, so I just thought that, you know, if they would have, after seeing this blender set, I thought that if this was of great quality, I'm just like sorted. I don't need to buy another beauty blender for a few more months. Then this ended up something that I don't love. I think they would have, it would have been better if they have given that clear information at the back of the packaging, that which blender is for what. It's like actually confusing. Okay, now we're gonna bake with some loose powder. I usually don't prefer baking, guys, but just because they have given a baking sponge and we just need to see how that works, so that's the reason I'm gonna do some baking today. So I'm actually taking some loose powder in here like that. So now I'm gonna take this sponge like this on this side and I'm gonna place that like this. So this is the palette. So this is the iconic London eyeshadow palette, which retails for $62. See how thick this is, how beautiful this is. I love this, you know, this goldeny thing sort of packaging. And then once you open this is how it looks like. And like I love this packaging, guys. Like this palette is so pretty. Okay, now look at these shades here. Now just like take a moment and appreciate these beautiful shadows. I already like swatched these shades on my hand, like once I open this up, like when I received the BOXYCHARM. They are super quality, so smooth. The shimmers are like so good. Let me just like swatch few shades for you. Look at these shades. Like, oh my god, like literally they look so pretty, like so finely milled and smooth. So I'm gonna take this shade in here. Okay, so that's called Top the Top. Taking that shade with my fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna apply that on my... Okay, before that I actually want to apply like that lighter shade of shadow on my crease, so that that'll actually set that concealer that you applied previously. This shadow, and I'm gonna apply this on my crease and just like blending that out. This palette is beautiful, guys. I mean, the shades are just so nicely pigmented. I'm gonna take this shade called Deep Soul. I'm gonna pack that in the outer V. Later we're gonna blend that out, but first I'm just like only packing, no blending. I'm gonna take the blending brush and I'm just gonna give that a blend. Dark brown is actually really nicely pigmented. I just like took a very light hand with that powder application, but I could just see like a very good amount of color going on in that outer V area. Actually, I was so excited for this month's BOXYCHARM box just because of this palette, you know. I know Iconic London palettes are gonna be so good. Iconic London is like one brand that is true to quality. So I just... This is actually my first palette that I'm actually trying out from Iconic London. I swatched the palette when I went to the Morphe store last time for buying the Jeffree Star lipstick set. I literally traveled 3 hours, you know, to go to the store and get my hands on the Jeffree Star collection. Swatched some iconic London palette. I don't even remember the name of it. So just is there in display, and I swatched it out and actually love the quality. I didn't buy it back then. And now I'm taking a clean, rounded blending brush and I'm just like smoothing this whole thing out. So I just want to take this shade called, Bellini, and I want to apply that on my crease just with a very, like light hand, just to make that color appear there. Actually love that shade, so just wanted to use that in this look. The color, every shimmer shade is actually so pretty. I just cannot choose like which color to use. Okay, anyway, we'll just go with VIP Vibes. How about this shade? VIP Vibes. And I'm gonna, just like take that shade with my fingers, just with fingers, and I'm gonna apply that. Oh my god, it's just so damn pigmented. Okay, look at that pigmentation. I'm just like placing that on the lid and just like smoothing out. I think I took way too much. Let me just take a brush and smoothen that whole thing out. Yeah, just like slowly intensifying the shade. And now just to intensify that outer V, again we are using the same, the dark brown shade that we applied, and just applying it a little, just a little there. Should I take the same shimmer shade and apply on my bottom lash line, or should I just smoke it out with the darker color? Okay, I'll just like take the same darker brown shade and I'm gonna apply this on my waterline. I'm gonna take that peachy shade that we applied and I'm gonna apply this shade right below the darker brown shade, just to make it, give a bit of that transition there. So yeah, this is the final makeup look, guys. So coming to the products, let me just tell you the total. So the total of the 5 products costed like $153 in total. So I paid like $25. I took like a 3-month subscription, so I guess that will be like $24 per month. And I got like products worth $153. And coming to the favorite and not so favorite products from this month's box. So the not so favorite are definitely these sponges. I'm not actually happy with the quality of these sponges. These are not so fluffy like a beauty blender. So these are not my go-to sort of sponges. As I already told you, I would have been happy if they have given like one single sponge worth $20 rather than a set of like sponges which are like $40 and which are of not so superior quality again. And then we are now coming to the most favorite product of this month's BOXYCHARM. Okay, that is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette, guys. Literally, the quality is just so good. The eyeshadows are like blending so well. Those are so easy to blend sort of formula, and even look at these shimmer shades right here. So you have got like really nice finely milled shimmers which are not that glittery chunky formula, not that powdery formula, and also they don't have like any fallout, which is something that I absolutely loved. Again, even the matte shades are like so easy to work, super easy to blend. I love this palette. You can really create some neutral looks, and also you can create some bold looks with that. Literally, you can play with this palette. So this palette is so versatile. Love this. I love this huge mirror. It's so convenient to just look into the mirror and do your makeup. And also the packaging is also nice, that goldy packaging. Loved this palette. And then another product which I loved from this month's BOXYCHARM is the Amika leave-in conditioner. So as I already told you, I love this conditioner because it's helping me with that detangling process. It literally made my whole detangling process of my hair so easier today when I used. And also it smells, oh my god, like so good, guys. I cannot even tell you, like, this actually smells like that Temptation perfume. How many of you guys remember that? Like, I used to use this perfume when I was in my +1 +2. It literally smells like that. This smells just so good, guys. Like, I love the smell of this one. And it also made my hair look smooth. It's not that greasy sort of conditioner, but you just have to use a little. Don't use like it too much. So that's what I have noticed. It literally made my hair look definitely moisturized. I didn't apply any other conditioner. I just like used this leave-in conditioner and my hair is looking like this. Love that. And coming to the smell, as I told you, it smells so good, and it helped with detangling. So these are the two products, my favorite products from this month's BOXYCHARM edition. So yeah, overall thing about this month's box, guys, I actually liked it. It's not a bad box. I actually loved it, at least for this eyeshadow palette. You know, I just have to say that I absolutely love this box. I love this palette. So this month's BOXYCHARM is just so good. And that's about it. I hope you guys will like this makeup tutorial, this video, and in case if you do so, then please don't forget to hit that like button. Do share it with your friends, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That means so much to me. And also leave your thoughts about this makeup look and in this video in the comment section below. Would love to know that. And also if you have like any other video suggestions, like you want me to do any product reviews, any other specific makeup tutorials, let me know that in the comment section below, guys. Would love to do more content on my YouTube channel. And also do follow me on my Instagram, because I'll be putting up like many makeup videos and IGTV videos over there as well. So yeah, follow me on my Instagram. The handle is Keerthi Kumar Makeup. I'll be leaving that in the description box below. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.